We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD software.
Hi guys, you might have done area measurement using scale and divider. In engineering drawings, it will be very difficult to calculate area of irregular shapes. But AutoCAD have a tool to measure area of all kinds of shapes which we can draw in our drawing. Architectures are well benefited because of this tool. Literally, they can save their time for area calculation on drawing what they have prepared. In this session, we will see the command area in AutoCAD. This command is neither a drawing nor a modifying command. This is categorized as a measuring command. So it can be seen on Home tab, Utilities panel, under the drop down menu of Measure. Let's move to a working file to see how the command is used in AutoCAD. Here I have two drawings. One set of drawing is prepared using line tool and the other set is prepared using polyline. We will see how area command is applied on both of these types. First, we will check with the drawing prepared using line tool. You can either take the command by clicking over here or by giving the short key AA. In the command window, the software is now asking to specify first corner point as the default option. Also, you can see there are some other sub options within the bracket which we will see later. Now we will go with the default option. Here at first we will find out the area of the biggest shape. While clicking on the corners of the biggest shape, you can see a green shade within that object. Select all the corners and press enter button. Do not drag the mouse to select the objects. Now the command is completed. You can see the area and perimeter of the shape which we have now measured in the command window. If you want to see the detailed list, you can press F2 function key 2, which will display the command window as a new window. Press F2 button again to close this window. Now let us take the area command once again, but this time we will go with the sub option object. We will now try to select the objects which we have drawn using line tool. Here you cannot select the objects, but try to select the objects prepared using polyline. Here you can see the area and perimeter of the object we have selected in the command window. This is because objects drawn using polyline will act as a single object, while the objects we have drawn using line tool will act as different objects. Now we have seen the complete area of the drawing, but there may be cases where we have to remove some of the portions in the selected area to meet our requirement. So let us see how this can be done using area command. Initially, we will try it in our drawing prepared using line tool. We are going to see area without the small shape. For that, take the area command Under the sub option, you can see add area. Click on that and select all the corners of the outer shape. Give enter button. Previously we have seen that soon after we have given the enter button, we will exit from the command. But here you can see we are still inside the command. Now we have to show the area which has to be removed from the calculated total area. For that, I am selecting the subtract area in the sub option inside command box. Now you can select the corners of small shape. This will be highlighted in off-red color. After selecting all corners, give enter button. Here you have to give enter button twice to escape from the command. Press F2 to see the complete action what we have done in our drawing. There you can see total area and subtracted area along with the area which we have required. Now we will try this in the drawing which we have prepared using polyline. Here we can do the selection very easily by taking the sub option object. This is for now. Thanks for watching this video.